the starfruit. Funny looking shaped fruit. It's a bit unusual, isn't it? Right, now they've said online, yeah, when it starts getting real yellow, the riper it is. But because I've had this for a few days, and it's ripening too slow for my liking, to be honest. I don't want it to go bad, so I thought I'd do the video now and give it a taste. I have tasted one the other day. It was really, it's like citrusy. It was nice, had a nice kick to it, a nice tang to it, nice twang, should I say. Right, let's cut it, see what it looks like. I'm gonna cut each end off, so I'm gonna cut that part off. Cut that part off there like that. I'm gonna stand that up like that, put that there like that, put that there like that. Take a picture. Right, so this is why they call it the starfruit. Because of the funny shape. When you cut it, as you see, it looks like a star, doesn't it? When I had it the other day, I cut it in really thin slices. Take another picture, this can go in a bit. Starfruit. Take another picture. Take the picture. Right, so this is Nutritious tropical fruit. Low in calories and sugar, packed with fibre, antioxidants, contains vitamin C, supports the immune system and the cardiovascular system also. Great dietary fibre. You see when you break it like that? That's what it looks like on the inside. You see it properly. You can eat it raw or you can cook it up as well. I like this, I do. Eases the symptoms of constipation, lowers bloating, helps with cramping and flatulence. So if you pass wind a lot, what would be a good food for you? You don't want to be sitting in the office or wherever you are farting there. Look at that. It does have seeds on the insides as well. Like so. You can see that side, you can see that side, can't you? You can eat the skin, or you can just take it apart like so, and just eat this part here. The next one I get, I'll wait until it turns fully yellow. So as you can see, this one was just turning, but because I got it a few days ago, like I say, I didn't want it to go bad. The edges, you see these parts here, I didn't want it looked like it was going to start going bad to me, to be honest. So I thought I'd do the video now, just show you what it looks like. You see there's a seed, pop the seed out. It's tasty, really tasty, I like it. I prefer the Grandilla better than this, but variety is the spice of life, isn't it? Apparently. I like this. I'm going to check up and see what meals you can put this with, because you can cook it up and put it with certain meals or certain desserts. But it's nice. I like it. Packed with fibre. See there, see the seeds on the inside. Low in calories and sugar. Packed with fibre, antioxidants. Obviously contains vitamin C. Supports the immune system cardiovascular system. Great dietary fibre, eases symptoms of constipation, lowers bloating of the stomach, helps with cramping and flatulence.